Yes, the Philippines, especially in Cebu, it was very devastated or a lot of damage here because people were not prepared. We experienced a lot of typhoon in the Philippines, but last typhoon, Odette, was very devastated typhoon or caused us a lot of damage. It was a super typhoon. So many houses were damaged, broken. Many people here don't have house or they don't really their roof, no more roof.
Oh, no more roof.
Yes. So outside the Stargate, Miss Mai, you can see the houses, no more roof anymore. So yeah, outside in this window, you can see the houses.
So I watched. So many building was broken.
Yes. In not only in Cebu, Miss Mai, but also in my hometown. My house also in my hometown was no more roof, no more kitchen. Yes, and my mother is still in the evacuation center.
So where island was most damaged in Philippines?
Cebu and Negros Oriental. It's in my hometown, Miss Mai. Yeah. And then Siargao. Yeah, those are most damaged in the Philippines.
Wow. So now, so has electric been restored in Cebu?
Only some area.
Oh.
Yes.
No whole.
No, Miss Mai. In this area, only this area, but there, outside, no electricity yet.
So this morning, yesterday, so
yesterday the
restored.
electricity, restored. And the problem now, Miss Mai, is electricity and water.
Water.
Yeah, water is very important, Miss Mai. Like no water. After the typhoon, Miss Mai, the typhoon was Thursday. That was Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday, we didn't have water to drink. So it was really tiring to find water, Miss Mai, to drink.
So now, so Cebu, how many degrees in Cebu?
Now is 28 degrees.
Not hot.
It's not so hot now. It's not so hot, but it's still hot the last few days because no electricity. And
so can you drink water now?
Yes, because we have to go to far to get water, Miss Mai. Yeah, and then last week, many people are angry, fighting, Miss Mai, because of water. So
supermarket is very busy.
I cannot imagine. Closed, Miss Mai. No electricity, no food. So it was not really good. It was really bad, and until now some places here still no water, and in this area we still need to go far to get water in this area, but because we cannot drink tap water, Miss Mai, that Philippines we cannot drink, so we have to buy. But if no electricity, Miss Mai, it means also no water. Yes, and if you go to Ayala Mall, Ayala Supermarket, Many, no food.
No food.
Yeah, shortage of food.
So you cannot buy.
We can buy, we can buy, Miss Mai, but the expensive food only we can buy. But the cheaper food, no more. Finished because people are buying.
Yes.
Yes. And we cannot get money from our bank because no electricity. So all cash. We need to pay in cash.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. People here are using card. Many people here are using card. We cannot.
Yeah.
So we have to get money, but we cannot.
Yeah. Well, so do the government give you food?
Yeah, there are. Yeah, in the Philippines, Maya, they give us food, but it's not enough because many are affected. Many are affected. Many are in the evacuation center. And another problem for the government, Miss Mai, is the COVID. Very dangerous in the evacuation center.
Yes.
Because of the COVID, because very crowded. But we cannot think of the COVID, Miss Mai, because we are hungry. We need water.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's the situation in Cebu, Miss Mai, and also in my hometown.
Wow. So you have many trouble.
Yes. Yeah, and then no signal also, Miss Mai. No signal, no connection. So I contact my mom, Miss Mai, after 4 days.
After 4 days.
Yeah, I was very worried, Miss Mai, because I know that in my hometown also big damage also there. And I couldn't contact them because no signal here. We cannot use our phone, no electricity. Yeah, and after 4 days, finally I could connect to my mother, and then she told me the situation. My house, no more room, no more kitchen. Yeah, but it's okay. They are safe. They are safe.
Yes.
That's important. That's very important.
So can you connect to mother now?
Yeah, I could. Yeah, I could connect to them now. Yeah. But still the situation, Miss Mai, is many places in Cebu are still no electricity. So still people here are still no water.
So how soon will electricity or water be restored?
We don't know, Miss Mai.
No.
Yeah, we don't know.
Wow.
Yeah, because our government here, they have so many problems to do. So they don't know also because many trees are damaged on the streets.
Yeah.
So they cannot fix the electricity. They cannot repair because of big trees on the streets. Yeah, so they cannot also tell us when is the electricity all fully restored in Cebu.
Wow, so you need many time.
Yes.
To restore.
Yeah, it takes time to really. We are very lucky in Stargate, Miss Mai, because we had a generator.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, we had a generator, but only 3 hours.
Now
it's okay because we have electricity last night, but last 3 weeks ago we had generator but only 3 hours and then stop.
Wow.
Now it's okay.
It's dark.
Very dark. and we cannot sleep in our room because very dark and very hot and a lot of mosquitoes.
Wow.
So we have to go outside our room.
Oh.
We slept in the hallway so that the air can come.
Yeah.
So, and last night, Miss Mai, I was I slept comfortably.
Wow.
Because we had electricity.
So good night.
Yeah, it was a good night last night, Miss Mai.
So thank you very much.
Yes, Miss Mai, thank you very much also.